Hello, you're welcome to my channel. I want to show you in this video some settings that you need to make right now for your computer to run faster to prevent the lagging of your PC. This is 100% proven of making your PC run faster than it used to. These settings, not many are aware of it, but there are certain settings in your computer. When you set them, you will be amazed at the performance of your PC. So follow this video to the end and you will be the one to testify in the comment section the outcome of the performance of your PC. So without any further ado, let's go over to the PC and do the settings now. Now here in your computer, the first place we are going to right now is settings, apps. Now you scroll down to start app. Make sure all of these things are turned off because these things run in the background of your computer. Meanwhile, you're not using them. So they slow down the performance of your PC. So turn them off. You can choose to leave the one that you like, but the rest, turn them off. Now let's go back to apps for website. Click on it. Turn all of them off. You can choose to allow some to be turned on if you wish. Now we close this window and go to system. In the search box, type system and click on it. Now click on advanced system settings. Under the advanced section, click on settings, the first one. Click on the custom. Put it on custom and uncheck all of this one and you leave this one. Show thumbnails instead of icon. Leave it. Let it be checked. And smooth edges of screen font. Make sure this one too is checked. And the other one, which is small scroll list boxes, make sure it is checked. These three must be checked, but the rest uncheck all of them and click apply and OK. Now let's close this window. Now where we are going to right now is service. In the search box, type service and click on it. Now here in the service windows, click on any service and type SY. You'll see sysme. Double click it and make sure you disable it. Click on disable and click on apply and click on OK. Now the next one is you type CO. That will lead you to connected device platform service. Double click it. Make sure you disable it too and click apply and click OK. And then connected, this one, connected user experience and telemetry. Double click it. Make sure you disable it too and apply and OK. And the last one here is you're going to look for Windows search. You click on it and type WI. You come to Windows. When you type WI, it will lead you to Windows area. Then you scroll down until you see Windows search, this one. Double click it and make sure it is disabled and click apply and hit OK. Click OK. If you are done with this, the last one we are going to address here is you need to go to control panel. Type control panel in your search box and hit on it. And go to power option. And you go to create a power plan. If yours is on balance, move it down to high performance and click next. And then you click. And when you're done with this, you can turn these windows off. Now, the next thing you need to do right now is to help this channel to grow by subscribing to this channel and liking this video if it helps you. I know what I've shown you will definitely help your PC to run faster. So see you in another video. Thank you.